All right, so this question says Gavin accepted a new job at a company with a contract guaranteeing annual raises. Gavin will get a raise every year and a starting salary. The graph models the situation. We're to identify the equation that models this context. Um, and so it's a line, which means we're going to write the equation in the slope-intercept form. We need to recall that slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. In order to find m, or slope, we need to remember that slope represents change in y divided by change in x we need 2 points as points of reference. Oh Lord. So we're going to use this 0.5, 55,000, and then 10, second point, 10 and 70,000. It's really cool to, as you do that, just construct your slope triangle. So this is going in that direction, that's a positive change. This is going up, that's also going to be a positive change. So we want to see what's going on. So, or change in y, just recognizing our y coordinates, 70, or y coordinates, that's 70,000 and 55,000. So when we set this up, or change in y, come on, keep your pens good, Mrs. Thomas. So change in y is going to be given by, starting with my second point, 70,000 minus the y in the first point, 55,000. And then that should be divided by our change in x. So our change in x, that was 10. Oh, brother. That was 10. And 5. Okay, so we always start with the same point we started with. So the 10 goes first, minus, or 5. So when we simplify that, 70 minus 55, or m, I'm going to change the slope to m now, is equal to 15,000 when you do the subtraction, divided by 10 minus 5, that's 5. That's going to be 15 divided by 5, that is 3,000. So that's the slope. Now we need the y-intercept. So our y-intercept, or B, is where the line crosses the y-axis. So on the graph, it's crossing the y-axis right there. Which is right at 40,000. So we know our y-intercept, or B, is 40,000. So the equation is going to be y is equal to 3,000 x plus 40,000. So the 3,000 is going to be his raise per year, and the 40,000 is his starting salary. Or equation y is equal to 3,000 x plus 40,000.